Right, it's been a nice evening. Nice fish and chips in the cuppa. Only problem is I have problems coming out. I think my power pack must have got disconnected because my camera is off when I got out here, so I don't know what I've recorded, if anything at all. So I'll be recording the return trip while I can. I've got nearly a full battery, so hopefully that will give me most of the run back. But good evening, nice pleasant evening. 6:45 and it's saying 15 degrees, so that's definitely warming up. So let's have a nice blip back. I'll see how I feel when I get back. I might head into Burnham and see if I can get the drone up for a sunset. I haven't decided on that one yet. It's going to depend on the time when we get back. Yeah, well, I've got both drifts recording as well, so hopefully I'll be able to get some footage of some sort from this run. And hopefully by this time next week I'll have the problems on this sorted out. New front tyre. That'll definitely be done. And hopefully this flaming sensor problem. But a good evening. Thanks to Serena again for organising it. Just got to try and decide where we're going to go for the next one. Obviously we don't want to come Minehead all the time, that's boring. So I also noticed when I got out here I hadn't done the strap up on me lid, so I rode all the way out to Minehead from Bridgewater with me lid not done up. I can't believe I did that. Didn't get the drone up, too many seagulls about, but unfortunately that's the norm there. That worked a treat. Didn't have to stop and put my feet down. Right, let's have a nice little blip along the A39 on the return run. Out on the Zets' first chippy run of the year. The first ride out of the year. And hopefully there's going to be many more. I've enjoyed this evening. It's been really pleasant. The usual good company. Pleasantly warm. So if you go to believe me bike, it's 15 degrees. That's warmer than it was when we got out here. I'll wait and see now how much the temperatures have dropped by the time we get back. Coming back in the car, Hampton. With the tin and blue anchor. Whichever way you want. Well, we're going straight on for Williton. At last the speedo's kicked in. Not that it really matters. I've got me sat nav. Just get what I can of this return, that's all I can do. On the lovely A39. I got a funny feeling when I think about it now, I've got no footage coming out at all. And that's why the camera was off. It wasn't in record, it was in standby, and of course it's shut down, isn't it? Well, as long as I get some on the return, it doesn't matter whether it's out or going back, as long as I've got some footage. Oh, happy days, oh, happy days. Somerset bikers out with the Zets. In West Somerset, been to Minehead. For some fish and chips. Now we're riding back on the lovely A39. It's a lovely biker's road when it's empty. Which, going back, I don't think we are going to come across too much traffic, hopefully. Washford in. Bouncy, bouncy. Right, that's through Washford. Let's have some fun. Winding our way through the Somerset countryside. It's all nice and green. Contact Hills in front of me. They're looking a bit brown. Coming into Willington in a minute. I'm enjoying this. What a lovely evening it's been. Pleasant temperatures. Some lovely late afternoon, early evening sunshine. And good company. Right, that's through Willerton. Over the West Somerset Railway, and then I can blip it again. Coming up to West Quantock's Head. West Quantock's Head. Coming up to the wedding venue in a minute, off to the left. In there. St Audrey's Park. It's nice in there. St Audrey's Bay Holiday Camp. And the sea's just over there. It is a lovely stretch of road. It's just a pity the road service is so crap. It's diabolical. So that old service dressing been on here, and the way it's worn is not good for two wheels. Bit better along here. And here comes my favourite bend. Hinkley Point down there, all the cranes, Hinkley Sea. Dropping down into Kilve. Oh, this is a lovely biking road, this stretch. Apart from the road surface in places is crap. I always enjoy coming along here. Now gone down to 11 degrees. Coming into Kilve. twisty heaven. And we're back into Holford with the Quantock Hills spread out in front of us. Another stretch along here, the road surface isn't brilliant. Especially this stretch along here. Twisty, twisty, twisty heaven. Well, that's been fun. Quantock Lakes, wedding venue. And B&B. Coming up to the Cottage Inn. Unfortunately they're shut because they got no outside seating. I'll up to Cannington in a minute and then back into Bridgewater. So if I am still recording, it's been a good evening. Thanks Serena for organising it. Good company, nice ride out, good weather, nice food to go with it. Hopefully this is going to be the first of many. Another lovely stretch of road. Some lovely sweeping bends. They're not really that tight. So Cannington bypass nearly done. Coming on to Cannington Straight. All the A39. Nearly back in Bridgewater. Right, I should be turning off in a minute. Saying me bye-byes.